It's Friday night at the world famous Toluca Lake Bob's Big Boy Car Show. There's a couple of things here that I'm going to highlight on a little mini video tour. The first one is this Grand National. I was checking this out. Bone stock. Not really. Lots and lots of modifications going on here. Incredible workmanship. Obviously he wants to go a little faster than the day it came off the showroom floor. So I'm Chris Bartosh, and this is Friday night at the local car show in Toluca Lake. Have a great day.